The Ballers a Buchan by G. Morrison. The Ballers a Buchan on the northeast coast, for my ma and da had saddled the bide. Was nae running water at that time, of course, but the path to the shore had a well at the side. The well had a puddock to keep a well clean, but the bairns dien at hame to show to my ma. A money he winnered for that puddock had gien, so he chopped the doors and roared all he could blaw. Timmer yoursel doen, there's naebody to blame. The bairns have your puddock, they were capering about. So ek koof dien a puddock and pet it back hame, and a puddock get a smirk neath its watery snoot. My mother had rigged my brother in a kilt, but the kilt seemed all foreign to Atloon's affront. He grut and he gurrent till my mother had gilt, but he changed his mind afore a kilt got it done. The very next day he come home with some siller, and seemed tie off a cane to put his kilt on. My mother teen fear, and she started to winner, so as being strange, she followed we on. He stood in his kilt at the top of the brae, while my mother bade back, so that he wouldn't twig. A busload of tourists approached round his day, and round he looked gweed in his kilt spurring rig. He stood wi' hand out, to my mother's shame, while American wifies all gid him some dross. But my ma flung a kilt when Ron got back home, scrawn nipped in the bud at Pier Ronnie's loss. Wasn't nae lovies, so they shot in a pail, and it had to be tamed fin full to the brim. So my father set off een nacht in a gale. He reached the pot and stood at its rim. For the pail to the pot, down it was flung, but the wind blew it back up the side of the cliff, and it hurled my da, he was clarted in dung, and my ma shot him out for a stink o' the whiff. So he flung a' his clothes on a washhouse floor, and loped in a boiler to hae a warm steep. He scrubbed himself down till the stink was all clear. Mom let him back in, but got him a neep. Their time at the Ballers was gweed for a' that, but they moved the bottom to twa Seaview Road. They had water in taps and a lavvy to shut, and a squeal for the bairns at lechend to load.